Hey everybody, I wanted to create a short video on Das33 because I think it's really important that everybody clearly understands this a very exciting new phase of what we're doing. So about 2 years ago, we started building our technology and we started building our community. And over the course of time, we've now launched our blockchain. We launched Das Exchange, and very recently we launched our first 3 public exchanges. And now the volume's increasing, and we're cultivating a market. And we will soon be launching the DasPay rollout. So we have all those pieces in place, but again, I want everybody to remember, so what's the real purpose for what we're doing this? Yes, we are creating the foundations of the currency of trust, which is DasCoin, but ultimately that's just the foundation of us creating the internet of trust. And this is an internet where everybody is authenticated, so everyone is known. It's an internet where everything is integrated, including the payment source. So DasCoin and other digital assets would be fully integrated into this. And it's an internet that is much safer than anything of our current internet because there isn't that anonymity. So that involves, though, a ton of applications being built on this global network that we are creating. And so Das33 is really it's the way we're going to build out the application layer of this Internet of Trust. And so I think it's really important that everyone understands how this is working. So we've sold we're nearing the 150,000 license level. We'll announce that soon. We're in over 150 countries that we've sold these licenses. So that effectively means that there's a bunch of people that have cycles. Yes, a lot of you have submitted them into the minting queue. Some people think that's the only purpose that these cycles have, and I'm telling you that's one purpose. It's a very important purpose. But there are many other possibly more exciting ways that you can use your cycles. So again, cycles are stored capacity on this network. These are how do you unleash the stored capacity? Well, you exchange those for the services that are available, and these are ecosystem services. So these include software development, all sorts of cloud-based services, database services, marketing services, even things like customer support services. So basically anything that is required to create and support and just maintain an application, we offer through the ecosystem. And what's happening with Das33 is we're connecting all of that. So now we're going to be presenting a number of projects, and actually any of you can create projects, initiate them on this platform. And that basically involves you registering those projects and then submitting those to our community. Now, there's probably a lot of you that are entrepreneurs. There may be some of you that are even developers. But there's also a lot of you that are just supporters of blockchain, believers in the blockchain, distributed ledger technology. And you would maybe not want to lead a project. Maybe you want to back a project. And so that's what your cycles are going to be used for. So the projects that become interesting to you, and what the project owners are going to do is they're basically going to say, hey, we're creating this project. Here's our team. We need early support. And what we'll do is give you a token for this project. And so you're going to give them cycles. They'll have the cycles to build out their project. You're going to get back a token from that project. And that token will ultimately be trading on many of the exchanges that DasCoin is trading on. And again, we're on 3 right now, but that's as the volumes increase on those, which they are. We're seeing a lot of activity building up, but ultimately we're going to be on many more exchanges, and so these tokens will also be trading on those exchanges as well. So it's a different project, a stake in a different project. Very importantly, I think it's the early stage participation in an exciting project, and that's what you'll really see on this platform is a lot of early projects coming on, and the ability for anyone with cycles to participate in those projects, to support those, to go out and tell other people about them, advocate those. And we believe that this model is really going to create a very exciting community of application development. And that we believe, so a lot of you are familiar with Ethereum, and Ethereum has had tremendous success in building out an ecosystem. They were really the first ecosystem play within the cryptocurrency space. They are now the second most valuable, it's the second most valuable cryptocurrency, and I would argue ecosystem in the cryptocurrency world. I really believe, and many other people echo this, it is very much about the ecosystem. Now, we believe that there's a better way to create an ecosystem or to build out an ecosystem. Ethereum has used to great success a very decentralized, kind of, I would call it do-it-yourself approach to building out an ecosystem. And anybody can plug into that, but they basically are having it's siloed activity. It's one person or maybe a small team of people, and they have to do everything they need to develop and then attract the community and build out the user base. And it's kind of like them against the world. You're by yourself on that platform, but yet that still has been very successful. What we want to do is create something more of what I would call a do-it-together approach. We want to leverage the wisdom of our community that we're building right now. And so our approach is to plug into that. We're then going to have our community members, they're going to vote essentially on which projects are, that they want to support. And the voting mechanism is going to be the cycles. So they're going to transfer cycles in the amounts that correlate to their interest in the project and their interest in backing that project. So the better the project, the more cycles are going to be received by that project, and the allotment, the allocation of the collective amount of cycles in our system right now will go to the more interesting projects, the projects people want to see get done faster. So we think that that's going to be a very collaborative type of model that will yield many great projects and will optimize the way that they're brought to market so that the better projects happen faster. So this collaborative approach we think is really exciting. We really want everyone to tune into this. We plan on launching the first 5 projects on June 30th. And so I really encourage everyone to talk to your upline. I've spent some time with some of the leaders recently. I've explained this in detail to them, and so they have more information. And we just want to get everyone up to speed on the power of our model and what kind of incredible possibilities, incredible opportunities there are with this more collaborative approach to building out an ecosystem. So I just want to do a quick video and just let everybody know about that, and really look forward to more information about this coming soon. Okay, thanks a lot. Talk to you all later. Bye-bye.